Hey, so last week I got a no from a potentially big high-ticket customer, but it might actually turn into my biggest yes so far. Hey, I'm Raul, and I'm on an indie hacking journey to $10,000 MRR. And in this video, I want to share with you how my first sales meeting went and how one tiny $5 sale might matter more than you think. So right now I'm sitting at $19 MRR with my first app, Git Digest. So yeah, $10,000 feels like so far away, but I like showing the real numbers instead of like doing all those posts in our own X with, oh, I vibe coded this app in like two days and it sits at $20,000 MRR or $5,000 MRR or whatever the hell it is. Yeah, it's much better. And currently I'm working on two products. OG Pilot, which is the one-click OG image generator, and Git Digest, which is an automated code-based reporting tool for non-technical folks. Today is going to be mostly about OG Pilot and how it's actually forcing me to learn sales, pricing, and listening to potential customers even if they say no. So yeah, lately I've been deep into refinement of OG Pilot. I upgraded the underlying image model to Nano Banana Pro, and honestly the results are like 10 times better than before. Because of that, I decided to raise the pricing for the one-off generations to $5. I also nailed down this SaaS thing. I think it's going to be $9 per month with unlimited pages for early adopters. And yeah, the product itself feels good enough right now for my own needs. And so I'm in the phase where I'm mostly like refining things, refining the UX, cleaning up code, fixing small annoyances, and waiting for more real world feedback. I don't want to overbuild until more customers try it and touch it. So one of the bigger changes I made recently was how the one-off generations work. Before I used to do like two AI image generations with the previous Nano Banana model and show a screenshot. I ditched the screenshot and I feel like that just doesn't bring any real value, and anybody just can take a screenshot of their web page and use that as an OG image if they want. So now instead I'm doing one template variation with HTML and CSS that's tailored on a page type. So if you have like a blog post, an event page, a podcast episode, a book, or a landing page, plus you also get an AI image generated variation powered by Nano Banana Pro. And here's the cool part. You get unlimited refinements. So for the template, you can update the content text, you can swap the logo, add a custom image, change the background color, the text color to your needs. And for the AI image generation, you can use like a custom prompt, apply different stylings. I have like 15 styles right now. So yeah, I want to lean more into like good defaults, but also let people to customize it. And now to the fun part, but slightly scary part too, is that I had my first sales meeting last week with a big marketing agency here in my hometown. They've been in the industry for the past 17 years. And I went in hoping to sell her OG Pilot. We talked, I walked her through the value, I did the demo of the product, the use cases, and in the end she basically said, yeah, we're not interested in this. So that stung a bit. But after we kept talking, I tried to ask her about the problems, her needs, and all this. We got to a point where she said that, hey, this isn't exactly what we need, but if you can pivot OG Pilot into something that helps us automate more of the social media ad campaign that we have for the clients, I'm willing to pay you a lot of money per month. So when I heard that, I was like, okay, I'm going back to the whiteboard, and I bought a new domain for the new app. I'm gonna fork OG Pilot, and build a separate solution specially tailored at this social media ad automation for her agency. Aim to have like the proof of concept by the end of next week, then go back, ask her for feedback, and hopefully convert them into a high value recurring customer. So if this works, this one no might actually be the moment where I'm starting to like get closer to my MRR goal. And yeah, since OG Pilot is in a good place right now, I've been focusing more on marketing and sales. So I've been spending more time on Reddit, sharing on X, jumping into forums, trying to get OG Pilot in front of as many people and eyeballs as possible. Because most of the days it feels like I'm just shouting into the void. Like even with this 100 Days of OG Image Remake campaign, which takes so much time to do, it feels like nobody cares. I don't have a big audience, so yeah, I feel like this is pretty normal. But there's this small moment that gave me some hope that the other day I saw an OG image generator pop up, and on they showed up competitors, and in that table on their landing page I saw OG Pilot right there, and I was like, oh my god, that made my day. Like, okay, maybe people are actually noticing, and the product is kind of visible, that it doesn't feel like I'm actually shouting into the void all the time. Yeah, so also a quick update on Git Digest. It's an automated code-based reporting tool that summarizes your code changes. It translates them into non-technical language and sends you a daily digest into your inbox or Slack. And it's mainly targeted at founders, team leaders, people who want to stay on top of what their dev teams are shipping without having to read every commit or whatever it is. I have 3 customers there, 2 that are on the lifetime deal, 1 that's on the recurring subscription, and that's where from where my 19 MRR comes from. It's not life-changing money, and but I feel like it's proof that people will pay me for the software I build, and I can ship and sell and support real products. So yeah, that's where I am today. I raised the prices on OG Pilot for the one-off generations. I refined how the one-off generations work. And I got a no from that big marketing agency. But hey, at least I got my first sales meeting, and I feel like it went pretty well. And yeah, I'm pushing more marketing and sales into OG Pilot. And Git Digest just keeps humming along with the $19 MRR from now. So next I'm going to work on that app that I told you about, and yeah, try to collect more feedback, ship small improvements, cleaning things up. So that's about it. If you're into this type of indie hacking journey and yeah, you want to follow along, just hit the like button, and all right, back to building. See ya.